Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that by default, your EC2 EBS volumes may be running unencrypted, exposing your data at rest? In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily convert your unencrypted EC2 instance into a fully encrypted one using AWS Snapshots with zero data loss and minimal downtime. So let's lock it down. Let's jump in and I will go to EC2 instance. I already have one EC2 instance created by default settings and it has non-encrypted VBS volume attached to it. If I go to storage, you will see it's not encrypted. So there is no encryption at the last implemented copies. Okay? To showcase that my EC2 instance is persisting data, I will connect this instance to SSH and I will create a file. Let's say I will add some content. Uh, okay, and I will name it s.txt. Okay? And if I add it, you will see the content is here. Okay. Now what we will do is we will go to this volume and we will create a snapshot out of this CC2 EBS volume. Okay. Let's name it unencrypted. Okay. But you will see there is no option to get this one encrypted still. So we will continue with this still. Okay. And let's wait for some time. Might will take some time, so let's wait. I will rename this until then. Okay. As you can see, the snapshot is created. Now, I will do, I will create a copy of this snapshot. You will click on copy and you will see there is an option to encrypt this snapshot now. Okay. We will check this one. I will name this one encrypted. Okay. I will copy snapshot. Okay. Alright guys, so our snapshot is created and if you scroll down you will see that this one is encrypted. So in encryption it's saying encrypted and for the other one it's saying not encrypted. Okay. So what I will do is I will check this one. We will create a volume out of this snap. I will create a click on volume. I will continue with default and I will create volume. Okay. Now the next step is to stop our EC2 instance and then update its root volume. We can do it from the volume section. So first I will stop this EC2 instance. I will wait. Night will take 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, so I will pause the video. Okay, so the EC2 instance has stopped. Now I will go to volumes, and this is the volume that is attached, right? So I will click on this one, and I will attach this one. And after that, I will go to this encrypted volume. You have to check yes, this is encrypted. Click on actions, and click on attach volume. Select the EC2 instance, and select the name. We want to continue for this one on root, so we will select this. And I will click on attach all. After that, I will again go to instances and I will start my instance now. Let's refresh. Okay, it's running. Click on continue. Sorry, click on connect and we will check if our file is there. Okay. So if I click on ls, you can see the file is and this is the correct instance that we use. Okay. So if you go to storage now, obviously it will have the encryption. Yes. Okay. So that's how the minimum efforts you can create your instance EBS volume from unencrypted, non-encrypted to the encrypted one. If this helped you secure your AWS environment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DevOps and cloud security tutorials, and share questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay secure.